death of a 26-year-old man in Haryana has once again put the focus back on cow vigilantism. Sabir Malik, a migrant, a labourer from West Bengal working in Charki Dadri in Haryana, was beaten to death. His fault? He was suspected to have consumed beef inside his house. A group of about 7 men apprehended 2 individuals whom they suspected, in fact, that they were consuming beef inside their home, and that these people then dragged out of the house and were brutally beaten by the mob. While Sabir Malik was beaten to death, the other person was grievously, in fact, injured. The police has now confirmed that 7 people have been arrested in the case, 2 of whom are minors. Listen in.
ये 27 अगस्त को बाडरा के कुछ लोगों को सूचना मिली थी कि हंसावास खुर्द में झुग्गी झोपड़ियों में जो रहते हैं वो प्रतिबंधित मांस खा रहे हैं। तो इस संबंध में वो वहाँ झुग्गी झोपड़ियों में गए थे और वहाँ उन्होंने पुलिस को बुलाकर प्रतिबंधित मांस का सैंपल लिया और सैंपल लेकर हमने वहाँ भेज दिया है इसको लैब में। तो ऐसे ही 2 लोगों को प्रतिबंधित मांस के शक में उठाकर ले गए, उससे मारपीट करी, जिनमें से एक की पहचान साबिर के रूप में हुई है और एक घायल हुआ है, जो साबिर की मौके पर ही डेथ हो गई। इस संबंध में हम पुलिस ने त्वरित कार्रवाई करते हुए एफआईआर दर्ज करी और 7 लोगों को गिरफ्तार कराया है, जिसमें से 2 नाबालिग हैं और हमने 3 को जुडिशियल कस्टडी में भेज दिया है, जबकि 4 का पुलिस रिमांड लिया है और पुलिस गहनता से जाँच कर रही है।
So 7 people have been arrested in this case, and while the Haryana government has taken cognizance of the matter, a curious comment from Haryana Chief Minister has given rise to more questions than answer. Because while the Haryana Chief Minister condemns the incident and terms this as unfortunate, he goes on to say in the same breath that the villagers respect cows and such people cannot be stopped. You'll have to listen to this to believe it.
ऐसा आप मॉब लिंचिंग का बात, ये इस प्रकार की बातें ठीक नहीं है। हमने क्योंकि गौ माता के संरक्षण के लिए विधानसभा के अंदर भी कड़ा कानून बनाया है और गौ माता के इसके लिए कोई समझौता नहीं है। गांव के अंदर इतनी श्रद्धा गौ माता के प्रति है कि अगर उनको पता चल जाए कि इस प्रकार का ये हालात कर रहे हैं तो गांव के लोग हैं, वो कौन रुकता है फिर उसके अंदर क्या हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ। परंतु मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि इस प्रकार की घटनाएं नहीं होनी चाहिए और ये घटनाएं दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण हैं।
Quite naturally, the incident has raised question over the law and order situation in the state ahead of the election. But that's not all. The death of 26-year-old Sabir Malik has once again raised questions on how such incidents of mob lynching can be controlled and stopped. The opposition today says that such incidents continue in the state of Haryana as the BJP's politics of hatred is going unchecked in the country. Listen in.
The hate politics from Gujarat, which was started by Mr. Amit Shah and Modi in the 2002, has spread to across India now. After the BJP government in 2014, it has been now spread everywhere. This hate politics is being spread. 2024, people voted against this hate politics. People reduced the margin of the number of the seats from majority for the BJP. But Mr. Nitish Kumar and Chandrababu ji, both of them helped the hate politics to be saved.
You see, everyone has his own right about foods, about dresses, etc. But I don't eat beef. But that doesn't mean my friend will not eat beef. And this is our democracy. This is the spirit of our constitution. But in Haryana, only blaming that he used to take beef, इसलिए उसको खून कर दिया गया, he has been beaten to murder. So this is very dangerous, anti-democracy. We strongly condemn that incident, and this is the democracy of Bhajpa.
My colleague Aman Deep joins us live on the broadcast. Aman Deep, we heard the reaction coming from the Haryana Chief Minister. He said that such people cannot be controlled. While on the other hand, we also saw the reaction from Rahul Gandhi. He's saying that the government is a mute spectator. Take us through the war of words.
Well, absolutely. The point is that this incident reported on 27th of this month, and in fact when this incident has been reported, immediately the police swung into the action. They have arrested 7 people including 2 minors, and during the course of investigation it has been learned that the people who have arrested, they themselves called as a Gau Rakshak of that specific village, and now further investigation is on. Simultaneously, the police have also collected the samples of that food which was consumed by the deceased and the victim family, and that has been sent to the laboratory as well. So the Chief Minister is saying that laws has been created by the government and passed to save the cows in the state of Haryana, and police is always keep on their vigil. But the point is that certain kind of Gau Rakshak teams has been created by at the villages level by themselves, and it is not prerogative of government as well. So even the police is swung into the action, and if politics is started playing just because that the person who beaten to death, he basically is a native of Bengal and presently staying in Haryana as a rag picker, and when this entire incident has been happened, so all the political parties are coming up and started attacking the BJP and giving the reason that BJP has created this environment in the state of Haryana, so the certain kind of incident repeatedly reporting. But the point is that is those areas. Charkhi Dadri is an area where the villagers have created their own Gau Rakshak teams that keep their vigil on the cow smuggling as well as cow slaughters, and in fact the other incidents related to cows also. But yes, the police is in the action, but the police is just waiting for the report from the Faridabad laboratory where the food samples has been sent, and further the investigation is on after arresting 7 people including 2 minors.
So 7 people have been arrested in this case. That shockingly also includes 2 minors. Thank you, Amandeep, for all the details. Now we're moving on to others.
ये 27 अगस्त को बाडरा के कुछ लोगों को सूचना मिली थी कि हंसावास खुर्द में झुग्गी झोपड़ियों में जो रहते हैं वो प्रतिबंधित मांस खा रहे हैं। तो इस संबंध में वो वहाँ झुग्गी झोपड़ियों में गए थे और वहाँ उन्होंने पुलिस को बुलाकर प्रतिबंधित मांस का सैंपल लिया, और सैंपल लेकर हमने वहाँ भेज दिया है इसको लैब में। तो ऐसे ही 2 लोगों को प्रतिबंधित मांस के शक में उठाकर ले गए, उससे मारपीट करी, जिनमें से एक की पहचान साबिर के रूप में हुई है और एक घायल हुआ है, जो साबिर की मौके पर ही डेथ हो गई। इस संबंध में हम पुलिस ने त्वरित कार्रवाई करते हुए FIR दर्ज करी और 7 लोगों को गिरफ्तार करा है, जिसमें से 2 नाबालिग हैं और हमने 3 को जुडिशियल कस्टडी में भेज दिया है, जबकि 4 का पुलिस रिमांड लिया है और पुलिस गहनता से जांच कर रही है।
So 7
ऐसा आप माउ लिंचिंग का बात, ये इस प्रकार की बातें ठीक नहीं है। हमने क्योंकि गौ माता के संरक्षण के लिए विधानसभा के अंदर भी कड़ा कानून बनाया है, और गौ माता के इसके लिए कोई समझौता नहीं है। गांव के अंदर इतनी श्रद्धा गौ माता के प्रति है कि अगर उनको पता चल जाए कि इस प्रकार का ये हालात कर रहे हैं, तो गांव के लोग हैं, वो कौन रुकता है फिर उसके अंदर क्या हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ। परंतु मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि इस प्रकार की घटनाएं नहीं होनी चाहिए, और ये घटनाएं दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण हैं।
quite naturally